welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what my day looks like with no school. OMG guys, I'm so glad we have no school. I'm tired of waking up at 5:45 every day just to go to school. And then we only got 2 days, basically 2 days of no school and then go back. Like, OMG, y'all. I'm so excited. And I'm going to be going to the chiropractor. I'm going to go make breakfast. I'm going to go to a few stores like Target, Marshalls, and more. And before I get started, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the bell down below. And let's get this video to like, 35 likes. Even if we don't get to that amount of likes, I'm going to still post new videos every week. Okay, guys, I'm going to put all the details down below if you guys would like to go get your back cracked too. So I'm gonna put his name on everything down below. Okay guys, here I go with how my day looks like. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I woke up this morning and I was just thinking about sweet and saltiness, And I was like, OMG, I want to make... Okay, guys, so some of the audio, I'm going to be like, you might hear me sounding really weird. I don't know what was going on with my phone, or I don't know what was going on, but I sound really weird, so please ignore the audio. But that's all I needed to tell you guys, because I don't want you guys to watch the video and then you're like, what the heck, why does the audio sound like that, or why does she sound like that? I don't know what was going on, but I really apologize, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, go ahead. Blueberry biscuits so bad, so I ran downstairs and I asked my mom, I was like, hey, I really want to make blueberry biscuits, can I please make it? Okay guys, I lost audio on this, so basically I was saying was my mom said yes to me making blueberry glazed biscuits, so I was like, okay, Bet. So now I'm going to show you guys the saltiness, which is the sausages. So this is the sausages I'm going to be eating with my biscuits. If you guys want to get that kind, you don't have to, but for me, I love that sausage, and I love eating it with pancakes, eggs, and everything. So right now I'm just showing you guys the iPad. That little mic right there disconnects, so that's why I lost the audio to this part. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything I got. I'm adjusting the camera right now, and now we're about to get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be adding is 2 cups of all-purpose flour shifted. So I'm about to show you why is it shifted, because you need to use this for the flour so it can like that. So you're supposed to shift the flour, and yeah, just use 2 cups of it. So that's what I'm about to do right now. 1 cup. Now, right now, this is the shifting part. Sorry you guys cannot see it, but this is where I'm shifting it. Okay guys, 2nd cup of all-purpose flour shifted. Now that's done. Now the next step we're gonna be doing is a half a cup of sugar. Any sugar you have, just 1.5 cup of sugar. Okay, so the next step, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure it's baking powder, not baking soda. Now the next step is 1 teaspoon of salt. And now it's time to whisk all the dry ingredients together, and make sure you whisk it well. I'm using a knife because you don't really need a big material to mix dry ingredients with, so I'm just using a knife. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So the next step we're going to be adding is 1/4 cup of butter flavoring shortening. So basically that's just like butter, and we already chopped them up, so it's in the freezer right now, and you have to literally hurry up, put the butter in there, and the dry mix ingredients. Oh, I was coughing. And the dry mix ingredients, and then smash, make it crumbly with that little weapon I have. So I'm getting the butter out the freezer right now. So we're going to be using that. Okay guys, so I had to stop this part because I had to find something, but the next clip will have audio, so you guys won't hear me voice over. So sorry y'all, there was no audio. Y'all, my stupid little mic went off. Oh, that's so irritating. But I voice over it, so don't worry. We're still going to keep on continuing. I apologize for that. But yeah, we still got the dry ingredients. And now we got the butter, so I got to hurry up because it's going to melt. So we got to hurry up. Throw that in there. Wipe my hands real quick. And now we're just going to smush it until it gets crumbly. So sorry about the auto, y'all. That just made me so mad. But right now we're just gonna keep on smushing it until crumbly. And I'm warning you guys that it might turn off because of storage. I know y'all like, you always got no storage. I know. I'm gonna just, if it stops, then storage. So just gonna keep on smushing until it becomes crumbly. And then we're gonna add the other bag. We have another bag of butter, and then we're going to fold that in there. And then we're gonna add our wet ingredients. Okay guys, so now it's all crumbly. Now we're going to add that other bag of butter, which is this one. This is 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. So that one, the one we just put in was 1/4 cup of butter flavoring shortening, and this one is unsalted. So let's get this in here, And we cut them to really small pieces, so. Y'all, I feel like I've been going fast. I apologize. But, okay, so now we're gonna use this to fold all the butter in here. This is what it looks like. So let's fold it in there. Make sure I'm doing this right. I don't want to do nothing wrong. Okay, I'm doing right. If you hear my brother, apologize. Also, guys, a little update. I'm gonna talk to you guys because I know it's been boring just you watching me. So, a little update. So, I've been doing really good with Spanish and stuff, and I've just been doing really good in Spanish. If you haven't watched that one video, is right there. If you have not watched that, you would not know what I'm talking about. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out that video right now. So what I'm talking about is I was just talking to you guys in that video. I was just talking to you guys about school and stuff and how I'm struggling with Spanish. I feel like I'm getting better because I'm passing that class, and I'm really proud of myself. But also, like, I don't need to I don't need to be, you know, I need to calm down because it can go down really fast. But we're not gonna be negative, so we're not even gonna say that. But still, I feel like I'm getting a little better in it. I'm getting better, so that's really good. Okay, guys, I should be done, like, folding it. I feel like I'm done. Okay, cut it. Okay, yeah, that should be good. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. It looks a little, you know, it looks chunky because we just got the butter in here. So now, the next thing we're going to do, the next step is, after the butter and stuff, 1 cup of cold buttermilk. So that cold buttermilk is right here. And then, hold on, let me make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, so, sorry about that, y'all. We got the buttermilk. Oh, I got confused. We got the buttermilk. And a 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extra. I forgot to put that one. Vanilla extra. What is that right here? Something for y'all. So, also, guys, I'm gonna get the vanilla extra and pour it into the buttermilk like this, and then mix it like that. Hold on, let's turn off. Okay, we're pouring to the dry ingredient. Okay, we added both of them in there. So now we got the vanilla extra. Okay, y'all. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep on mixing it until it turns doughy. So right now, as I'm mixing it, it's getting really doughy. So we're gonna keep on mixing it until it gets doughy. I'm actually going to pause the video, and I'm gonna record me mixing it like I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to pause it. I'm gonna cut it and pause it so where it won't take like a million years. You guys won't be watching like a 1-hour video, and I'm just gonna cut it to where it's nice and doughy. So I'll see you guys when it's nice and doughy. This is what it looks like right now. So it's starting to get to that dough form. So this is what it looks like now, and then I'm going to record what it looks like when it's done. Okay, guys, see you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so now this is what it looks like. So the next step is we're going to sprinkle some flour onto the base. So it's already clean, so we got that down. We're gonna pour this onto the counter. If you remember last time that we did this, gonna rub it onto the counter. That should be enough. We're gonna put a little more. Okay, y'all. So now our next step is we're gonna get the dough. Hold on. Let's lower this down a little. Oh my gosh. Please don't do this. Hold on, y'all. I'll fix it later. But right now we're just gonna pour this right here. Pour all this dough in here. Y'all might not see it because this is really making me mad, so. Okay, y'all, hopefully y'all can see that. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just mixing up the dough right now. So just getting that, folding it, not like balling it up, just folding it, getting that little flour. Gosh. My iPad, I'm so sorry y'all, my iPad's really being annoying. So what we're gonna do next is, if you remember, if you watched that one video with my blueberry biscuits, I'm gonna get some flour. I'm gonna get some flour and pour it. Get some flour and pour it on. Get some blueberry biscuit. Get some blueberries and pour it onto inside the bowl, and then we're gonna toss it. I need some more flour. Come on now. We're about to get that right now. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I don't care. Okay. 1 teaspoon of flour. So we need 1 teaspoon of flour. So let me get that teaspoon right now. Okay, y'all, I can't find the teaspoon. Oh, yeah, I found it. So, while I'm folding this, we're going to just put 1 teaspoon of flour in there. Okay, y'all? Hold on. Let me keep on. We already got our 1 teaspoon in there. I forgot how many blueberries. I think it's like 1 cup. Add more flour. Needed half the dough to side. Add blueberries to the bowl. Toss 1 teaspoon. How many? It doesn't even say how many cup. I think it's like 1 cup. Okay, y'all, we need more flour. Yeah. It's not telling us how many blueberries. Okay, guys, it's almost getting there. Still kind of a little sticky. My phone got out of storage, like I said, so I just rushed and went on my iPad because that was making me so mad. We still need more flour. We need more flour because it's still a little bit more sticky. Still sticky. Well, not sticky, but it's getting there. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I don't know how many blueberries it told us to add. I'm just going to add like 1 cup or something. Because I honestly don't know. Or half a cup of blueberries. But I think it's 1 cup. Or half a cup. I have no clue. But I just know it's one of those. This run out of storage, y'all. I'm sorry too. Just gonna keep on going with devices. Keep on adding more devices until I can finish this video because y'all, it's so irritating. Y'all don't get it. It's like so annoying. But if y'all are wondering what device I'm on right now, I'm on my iPad. So you guys are just gonna see me keep on kneading and kneading. So I'm thinking I think it's like 1. And then also we're gonna get out the milk. Okay, guys, it's nice and done. So now we're gonna get out our milk. And then let me make sure I have got my cup done ready. And then we got our blueberries. Okay, y'all, we got our blueberries. So now I'm gonna smush my hand, smush this around. You guys are like, why do you have milk? You'll see. So I'm like pressing it, like folding it down with my hands. Okay, y'all, got some blueberries right here. Now we're gonna juice like a half cup because I have no clue how many we're supposed to use. Who else gonna treat you right? I shouldn't decide. Now we're gonna toss the blueberries. Uh-oh, one fell. It's okay. This is what they look like. Can y'all see that? One fell out again. Cool. Okay, y'all. Just gonna spread that out and then start adding the blueberries. Okay, y'all, we're just gonna throw them on top. Doesn't matter. Just throw them on top because these do melt. If they do melt, like, I'm gonna be so surprised because we had those blueberries in there for a while. Like, not too while, but like, we had them in there for a minute, so. Okay, so now we're just gonna fold them. Keep on folding them. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see. Also, it said that it might be a little messy, but hey. Okay, y'all, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to form it. We got our container. And then we got flour right here. So we're just gonna get it. Right here. It might be messy, it's okay. I'm actually doing good because they're not melting really bad. They're just like, you know, they're not melting, but not as bad, you know. Okay. So we got some more dough left. It might not look cute, but it's gonna taste cute. I mean, it might not look cute, but it's gonna taste good. Look a mess. It's okay. And then we got this crap left. We're gonna still make it work. If it's ugly or not, it's fine. As long as it's edible, it's gonna be fettable. So this is what it looks like. We got a bunch of biscuits, which is good. So now we're going to pour our milk. It says half and half, but we don't have that. So we're just gonna add a little milk. We don't want them too soggy, so. And the oven should, we had that oven on for like a minute, so it should not, it should cook a little faster. Milk. And now let's put it in the oven. Oh, hold on, it's a hot mess. I apologize. Okay, y'all. Let's put the blueberry biscuits in the oven. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna see you guys when the blueberry biscuits are done. Good luck. Oh, wish me good luck. Before we butter up the biscuits, we gotta put the butter on top first. So let's put the butter on top. Hold on, let's scoot y'all closer. Too close. Okay. Let's butter this up. Because we remember we still got butter left, so. I'm not gonna be stingy, not butter melt. Like what? Sorry, my brother. And then we're gonna glaze our biscuits. I swear, like when I did it, I felt like I was doing something wrong. Like, I don't know. Oh, I didn't even taste to make sure it's okay. Yep, it's good. Okay, y'all. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe, and hit that like button, make sure you hit the bell down below. And let's get this video like 45 likes. Even if we don't get to that amount of likes, I'm just going to be still posting new videos every week. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my day without school. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.